I'm gonna make my mug cake. So besides a freaking just having a shake all the time, I know it could be a little bit hard to swallow in a sense, but I like that the fact with these products I'm able to actually make stuff with it. So one thing I love is a mug cake. So I'm gonna do a banana caramel chocolate mug cake. So I get 2 scoops of my Formula 1, which is the banana caramel with the flavor. 2 scoops of protein because I'm at the point now I'm not really trying to lose weight. I'm actually trying to stay at the weight I am right now. I believe I'm 113. So that's like about a 54-pound weight. So my bacon was alarming. So excuse me for that. So what I'm also going to do, I like to put a scoop of quick 1-minute oats. Stir that up really quick. And 1 egg. And then some milk just to get it some thickness. Like, I don't like to make it too watery, but I like it just to have it just right. So as always, I always make a freaking mess. Like, so when I stir that shit's all over. So it's taking me longer to make my mug cake, but bear with me, please. I think like that. I like it like this. Ooh. I put 3 minutes because that mug is really huge and it's very like thick, so it has to take some time to actually cook it. So I'm not gonna make you guys wait for 3 minutes, but I can't wait. I want it. So now my favorite part is taking this baby out. I love letting it jiggle a little bit, and I just plump it up here like. Now that's my mug cake. So one thing I love is just making this super pretty for no reason at all, because it's gonna all go into the same place and end up in the same place. So I roll up my bacon and I tuck it next to my like little roses. I know I'm corny, but nothing's better than turkey bacon rolls. Fake roses. I'd rather have turkey bacon roses than actual roses. Because I'm fat, so, but... So let me get this and then let me show you more. I love this one. Coconut milk whipped cream. I hate this. I can never get this right. Oh my god, I'm making a mess everywhere. I can never cook super sweet. Like, it has always a freaking mess. Why? Why doesn't this work? Alright, I kind of got it. And then some blueberries. I mean blackberries. Blueberries. Freaking blackberries. And then I like to also add something to add a little bit of crunch. And the mug cake, it has like such a creamy consistency. I can't wait to eat this. I know you're jealous, but don't be, because you can make one, ladies. Just hit me up so you can get that Herbalife. So imagine, with all the flavors of these shakes, all the different flavors of these cakes, pancakes, waffles, like banana caramel, orange cream, cookies and cream, mint chocolate chip. I know, right? It's fucking amazing.